Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Mahuya, and in this video I will be talking about a very powerful visualization technique that leaders use to easily and very effectively process users' feedback. So if that sounds interesting, let's begin. This powerful visualization technique is called feedback grid. Product leaders and all kinds of leaders at all levels use this technique to process users and stakeholders' feedback effectively. More specifically, it's a 2x2 grid. It's used during user interviews, user research, where the product leader wants to capture user information. It can also be used during any other kind of stakeholder conversation. Your stakeholders could be internal stakeholders, business stakeholders, or even external stakeholders, where you want to very accurately, effectively, and at the same time very quickly want to capture their input without making it a very elaborative process. To see how the feedback grid looks like, let me pull it for you. So this is the feedback grid. As you see, it has 4 grids. I'll just read it out. Worked, change, questions, ideas. So let me explain one by one. Work. So whenever you present a concept to your users during user research or user interviews, they will tell you certain aspects really work for them, that really meets their goals, the end goals that you're trying to solve for them. It really meets those objectives and goals. So you bucketize all of those items in this quadrant, right? So that's work. The next one is change. So this grid is essentially in a real life scenario, you will have more items there. So these would be the areas that you'd hear from your customers potentially could improve, like whatever you're presenting, they might give you 15 suggestions around how you can improve that. So that's really good. So those are the kind of inputs that would help you iterate the concepts and make it better. The next grid. So this is a very, according to me, very important grid as well. So this bucket would consist of all the things that you thought would really make the customer experience or solve the customer problem, but customers or the users or if it is an internal stakeholder, they're not really sure if this is a good idea or it's meeting the end objective or the overall strategy if it is talking to an internal stakeholder. So these are the areas which you really need to, first understand, do a further drill down and research on those and see if you really want to keep it or it doesn't probably make sense to have those. So that is the area of improvement. Like I would be paying very close attention to this bucket. And the last bucket we have here is ideas. So that's one of my favorites. So that's the bucket in which you would essentially put all the feedback or input you have received from your users and stakeholders about how you can, so these would be things like ideas that you didn't probably think about, but the brain cells struck when you present it to the other person, and they have given you different or unique ways to improve on that. So these are either brand new ideas or something some competitors does you haven't thought about. So essentially these are unique ways or unique ideas that came out of that conversation, and you definitely want to pay attention to that. You want to research, study those in details and see if you could implement some of those to the concepts that you presented or you're trying to kind of build or validate. So yes, this is a feedback grid. This is how it looks like. Let me summarize the benefits of this technique. To begin with, as we learned, it's a very simple, easy to use visualization technique which you can use or apply in any kind of conversations where you are trying to take feedback, be it your end users, customers, internal stakeholders, anyone, right? So this leads me to my second point. Once you take the feedback and process it accurately, then only you'll be able to make product and business centric decisions and build products that customers love and use, right? So yeah, so this leads me to my third point. A byproduct of doing all of this would be you would face a lot less resistance in getting a buy-in from your stakeholders to move forward with this product and business decision. So net I would say it's a win-win strategy and you just can't go wrong with it. Sometime back I have posted a video on effective listening and I have talked about listening spiral. So listening spiral and feedback grid, these are often used together by product leaders across industries and across the globe to build products that users use and ultimately fall in love with. So I would highly encourage you guys to try it out and let me know if you have any questions, comments. Put them on the comment section below and I would definitely get back to you guys on those. So yeah, with that we kind of come to the end of this video and thank you so much for listening to this and I shall definitely see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye and take care.